Hello, today we will learn about the Python condition statements. So earlier we have studied about the Python data type like int, string and many more like we have studied. And apart from that we have also learned some derived data structure like list, tuple, sets and dictionary as well. There I learned how to do manipulation with that data structure so we can get leverage in a real time applications. Apart from that, we have also learned about the string manipulation. There I have learned and I understood how that thing is more relevant for the NLP. Then dictionary part as well, I also learned how it is more crucial benefits in a data science field. So today we will learn about the statement condition statements. So why it is necessary to learn about the condition statement? Condition statement is a very essential parts to any language because of speaking anything without any condition. There is a certain condition there, you can't find any such a relevant meaning there. Same as in a programming language, condition is required. So condition will provide a leverage so we can do a certain task in a proper way. So here we will learn about the if statement, else statement, elif statement, and apart from that as well as nested statement as well. So what is if statement? If statement is that we have to write it if, then after that we have to write some condition. Here condition might be true or false. That condition would be the boolean. So that condition will provided by the comparison operator. Here we are getting, there is so many way you can find boolean condition there, but here is the one of them to we are getting by the comparison operator. So when if a statement is executed, then this statement is true, then our body part of the print statement or anything other operation will be executed here. So let's see how it works in a real coding format. So like food name is spam, we have already assigned here. Then after that we are checking, is it really food is equal to a spam or not. If it is true, then it will print for us like this is my favorite. So here we get definitely we have hope on my favorite here. It is taking some time just because of Google Colab Note. It is not initialized yet, but right now I am got the result of my favorite. So next part is else part. So what is the else part? So we have earlier discussed about if condition will execute when condition is true, but what happen if condition is false? So how can I know about that this condition is false or not? So else part will provide that leverage. If any condition is false, it will execute the else body part. So let's see how it works. So we have copied this and we have to write it some other name of food like sorry. Here we have defined here is food name is banana, but we are checking here, is it really food name is equal to spam? The condition is false, then it will execute else part. No, I won't have it, I want a spam. So here we are getting else part. Then after that elif statement as well. When we have required multiples number of statement need to be checked, that time elif statement will come out here. So here if a statement first we will check this condition is true or not. Then after that it will go to the next line and check that condition would be correct or not. Then after that so on. And if all the conditions are not correct yet, it will go to execute else part. So let's see how it works this code. So here we have provided input. Here we are taking input from the users to the range of A to C. If they will provide A to C any character, we will execute whatever the character they will choose. We will execute here you choose A, B, C. If it is not, then we will print invalid choice, means these all three condition is not correct, then it will print else part, that is false condition, otherwise it will print whichever you have selected. Like here we have selected yeah, then you will then we will get you choose A. But if you want to choose something else A to C, so we want to choose it here F. So let's see, this is invalid choice. So this is how we have learned about the elif statement and how we are checking the statement here. Apart from that, nested statement is also required for else if condition. Likewise, if we have some condition, if something will happen, then we have to check it another thing that is correct or not, or if that condition is not correct, then there is another condition is exists there. So that's how we will go one condition to another within next condition. Then after that there is so many conditions as well, and after that we will come out to the outer part, is it there correct or not. Likewise, here we can see here num equal to 15. So first of all we have checked num is greater than 0, is it yes, then it will go to the if num is equal to 0, the print the number is 0 as positive number. Otherwise, if you are providing any number is less than 0, then it will print you this is negative number. So here you can see, so I hope we will get here positive number. So here you can see we have entered here number 15, but if we provide here -1, let's see what is we are output getting. Here is negative number we are getting. So okay, okay, so that's how the nested statement will work. So here we have checked first statement, then after that check second statement, otherwise print else part. and if both the condition is not correct yet, then go to the else part, that is negative part. And here we have written as well, like other condition as well, so you can see here. So how can I execute if a statement in a single line? So total candy equal to 1. Okay, then splitting total candy. Okay, so likewise, so here write something else like channel educational. Okay, so check this statement here. Or comedy. So if this condition is true, so here you can see it is not working. Okay, so if channel name provided anyone is educational, means this this condition will execute, then after that we will get output data science. And if it is not like dance, so this condition is not, means this is a comedy channel. Here we get like that, so we have to write it here like single line statement checking. Okay, so that's over today. I have learned about the if else condition, how it works, and it is I also looked at the one of the examples. You can apply much more things in this condition, and you can practice at the site is Geek for Geeks. There you will learn many examples there, which is very good. So that's all today. So thank you to all for having here.